Hey everyone, today I'm going to be going over how to perform the greatest hits analysis report. This will be a great tool when you're meeting with a customer so you can have something to talk about. So the first thing we want to do is open up the greatest hits report. So the title for that is Rad Bar Greatest Hits Report. And here we'll just go ahead and open this up in a new tab. And it does take quite a minute to load because it is looking at all items ordered in the past year for all your customers, and there it will determine whether it's a greatest hit item. But while this loads, I'll show you where you can find all the information we're going to be using. So we're going to go to our sales material folder in the file cabinet. So here, Sissy does have it as her shortcut. If you do not have it as a shortcut listed, we will go to Documents, Files, and we'll click on File Cabinet. And here we do see that it did load up, but let's continue finding the documents. So next we will click on Sales Materials. And this is where Sissy's shortcut would take us. So now that we're in the Sales Materials folder, we will click inside Sales Material, click on Greatest Hits, and here's the PDF for the Greatest Hits rack, the Greatest Hits wall, a list of all of our Greatest Hits items in PDF format, and it is sorted by table lamps, floor lamps, sconces, so we'll minimize that for now. And then here is the Greatest Hits template, which we will be using. So let's also open that up. So when you open up this spreadsheet, the thing you first see is paste results here. And we're going to be using the Rad Greatest Hits search to get the results. So let's go up to the search that did load. Here we'll type in our customer name that we want to find. And here we'll do it for Furnitureland South. And what you can do now is either hit enter and that will download the file for that customer. You do see it loading up here, so you do know it is downloading. Or if you want, you can click out of the box and then you can have it displayed on your field. So when you click out of the box, you see only Furnitureland South customers. And then here we can do the export to Excel if you want to do it that way. So either or does work. You can just type in the name and hit enter and it downloads right here. Or you can click out of the box and export it to Excel. So this is the Furnitureland South report of all their items they ordered in the past year. So what we're going to do is we're going to select all the data. You can hit this little button between A and 1, first column in the first row, and we'll just go ahead and copy the data. Now we'll go in our Greatest Hits template and we'll paste it right in cell A1, doing Control V or Command V if you're on Mac, or right clicking and hitting paste. So now that we have all of our data in here, it does pull over to the Summary tab on the bottom, and it'll give you a breakdown of what items they ordered. Here we see that they did order $2,900 worth of Greatest Hits accessories, $5,000 for the ceiling, and so on. The total Greatest Hits that they ordered was $25,000, which is about a third of their total sales since 9/19. And there's this Greatest Hits tab, which gives you a breakdown of what items they did order, and it does correspond with the PDF file of the pictures. So this is what you can use to present to the customer. So here we see that their lowest sales in greatest hits was the furniture category. And what Sissy can do is when she meets with Furniture Land South, she can recommend some of the other greatest hits like the Dylan counter stools or bar stools, and hopefully we can increase sales on those greatest hits items as well. So this is just a good guide to give them items that they might not have ordered that are currently greatest hits items that a lot of other customers are ordering. Thank you.